Hey, drive it into the elevator.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, here we go.
Oh, stop filming now.
All right, I'm recording this just because.
YOLO.
Yeah,
Just because he's going to drive. Oh, look at that. Yeah, put the headlights on. We have an elevator here.
yeah. Other stuff.
Yeah, look at this.
Where's the home?
Hello.
These things are, it's a long way down.
It's a long way down.
I'm not sure which one's coming.
I'm not either sure. Maybe this one's alright.
It's quite a ride. It takes a while to get up here. I think it's the one on the left. Here, it's this one. Uh-oh. There may be somebody in it. This may be our kick out.
Yeah.
I want to see the shimmers before we get kicked out of here.
I need to.
I'll hold the door open.
Yes, please.
Look at this. This is the first element. Look at this. Look at this. Uh-oh, hold the door. All right, let's go down to hello.
Andrew, where's the horn on this thing?
No.
Here we go.
I'm driving inside the elevator.
Yeah. Yeah.
But please, I just want
Stay cool. I want to stay cool.
Yeah.
Stay here. Calm.
And don't use the horn.
Yes.
This one's going really deep.
Yeah, all right, now send the elevator up. Press the up button. Here, I'll go over there and do it.
Let's see if it's.
Here we go.
I'm enjoying the ride. Yeah. Enjoying the ride on the truck.
It's so huge. Too huge elevators. Wow.
Or he's got to back it out. Actually, he can maybe pull it out. I pressed both buttons.
I can maybe go around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can try.
Lean it.
He's on a...
Wanna go out then?
All right. Uh-oh. No, you don't. No, you don't. Okay.
And it seems like it has been solved by.
There he goes. Watch this.
No, the other one is empty as well.
There it goes. And look who's coming around here. And there he is. How was that elevator ride?
No.